and back to Python series. Today the topic we are going to see is regular expression in Python, or another name is called Regex. In the previous class I explained for whoops with the demo. Today class we are going to see the where I told about class, object, everything. Today the topic we are going to see regular expression in Python with a demonstration of some very small programs. So let's go for session. Today's session, it will helpful for you to learn about the following things, that is what is regular expression and why we need, and also basic patterns where it have ordinary characters, Regex functions or regular expression, both are same only. Some regular expression functions, special sequences, sets, match object, at last match object, methods like that. So now we have to see what is regular expression, why we need. A regular expression is nothing but a special sequence of characters that helps you to match or find other strings or set of strings using a specialized syntax held in pattern. So there will be a pattern format where what you want to search. If you want to search a particular characters or a single character or group of characters, whatever there you can find in the group of strings. That is possible with the help of regular expression. And also the Python module always have a provides there will be built-in package. It provides full support for regular expression in Python. So whenever you want to use regular expression, another name is called Regex, you need support of RE. Import RE is must. That is built-in package supported by Python here. And also these are used to identify. Y means identify whether a pattern exists in a given sequence of characters, that is called strings, or not. And also they help in manipulating textual data in real-time world. So textual data you go for scientific projects and so on to a real time. So regular expressions are one of the biggest concept where we are going to some of the things. These are always suitable for anyone. If you are just a beginner of the Python, you can participate. So basic patterns. So while demonstration I will say some other points also. Basic patterns. Here, generally ordinary characters are the simplest regular expressions here, where they match themselves exactly and do not have a special meaning in their regular expression, and the syntax also. Example, you can say A, X, 5, like these are on the ordinary characters, just ordinary characters. These are simplest regular expressions where in the small programs you can use. So I have a program called exp1.py. let's go for demonstration. I already told you in the Python ideally 3.8 some of the latest version. 2 times I have already typed the program. I have a program called exp1.py, the desktop. And remember, when now start to work and implement anything with regular expression, we need support of RE, import RE, first line compulsory. That is a built-in package where I am going to write patterns called RCSE, where R stands for this starting up the pattern. So R stands for starting up the pattern, and I am going to give sequence called CSE. Now I am going to if condition check whether the CSE available or not. So I can give if re.match of pattern comma sequence, that is syntax, and print match, else print not a matcher. So all of you know the sequence CSE in this above one. If available in the real time, it will say yes match, it will print match only. If not there, it will print not a match or none. Let us for execution. So run model. Yeah, successfully executed the program saying match, because in the Python script we have that CSE. So if you want, you can check it. Remember, it always check the group of, if at all you type only CS only not there, it will check bulk of characters, not single here. So I am just giving single and compare now, it will say none. Or if you give some other IT or something, IT or obviously it will say not match only, none. Yeah, saying not a match, none or not a match, like that. Real time you can check the output here. Next, some of the Regex functions will be there. These are familiar when I work with regular expression. First one called match, another one is called search, another one called find all, another called split, and another called sub. First one, the match function, where this method matches the Regex pattern in the string with the optional flag only. So a flag is not necessary given the syntax error in the program, and also it returns true if a match is found in the string, otherwise it returns false. Remember. So match is the one just matches the Regex pattern in the string. That's it. It is such one. This method returns a match object if there is a match found in the string. For example, in the string I am searching hello how are you. In the hello how are you I am searching how. If available means it go and search and find it. If not there, it won't give any answer. On find all method, where it returns a list that contains all the matches of a pattern in the string. We are going to see the example. There you can get an idea and clearly understand. So wherever the information is there, it go number of times it go and print it. Then split is there. It returns a list in which the string has been split in each match also. And sub is there, replace one or more matches in the string. So that is a plus point when compared to strings here. The string there will be limited here, not like that. So it will replace one or many matches in the string. Then another one is called special sequences, where it always comes with a slash operator, slash symbol, where first some of the things that we are going to see only few here. First slash here, where it returns a match if the specified characters are present at the beginning of the string. So if matches specified characters are in the present beginning of the string, for example in the CS I am searching CS, it go and check it, otherwise not. Then B is there, slash B, it always returns a match if the specified characters are present at the beginning or end of the string. So slash B, suppose I am going to search CS in the beginning or end of the sequence string, it will go and search either beginning or end of the. If available, it will go and print the answer, otherwise not, match found, like that. Another slash capital B, it returns a match if the specified characters are present at the beginning of the string but not at the end, only beginning. So similar to slash A, it also just checking the beginning specified characters or beginning of the string only check. Then slash D is there, it returns a match if the string contains digits 0 to 9 or not. So if in the 0 to 9, if the digits are available, it will print, otherwise not, match. And also slash capital is it returns a match if the string does not contain the digits. For example, I am going to search the number called 11 in the string. It will say, what is there? If the match does not contain the digits. If not there, it will return the match. So 11 is not there, so it return match like that, otherwise not. Then another one slash yes, it returns a match if the string contains any words per character. So as of you know, when you go for small programs, you can understand. And capital S is there, it returns a match if the string does not contain any words per character. So you know words per character, everything from the C language you have idea. And slash W, where it returns a match if the string contains any word characters. Any word characters, it returns a match, otherwise not. Think about set. What is set in the view of regular expression according to Python means a set is a group of characters given inside a pair of square brackets. Remember, set means a square bracket will be there. All the operation done with the square bracket only. And also it represents the special meaning that is called find all function. It represents the special meaning. In the next page we will see the table also. Before that we see the find all function, where this is a method returns a list containing a list of matches of a pattern within the string. So we have one string hello how are you, wherever like that, it go and search find all where the word hello is there, like that, how many times coming and repeat like that. And also returns the patterns in the order they are found. If there are no matches, then an empty list is returned. For example, I have hello how are you word like that. If I am searching the information New Zealand, if not there, it will then it return empty list. Entire list is go and check found or not, like that, find or not. Now we go set description. There will be, I told just now, to all the set operations come with slash n, ARN, A minus n, and mod ARN, and 0, 1 to 3, 0 to 9, and so on. Here ARN for returns a match if the string contains any of the specified characters in the set or not. And also A minus A to n, that is returns a match if the string contains any of the characters between A to n. If the suppose I want to search AE, IOE, so that vowels I am searching means it available, so it returns a match. If I search Z, it will say not match, like that. And also slash ARN, mod ARN returns a match if the string contains the characters except ARN, like that. For example, I am typing welcome, ARN not there, so it will say returns a match. If I print hi like that, it will say not found, like that. And 0, 1 to 3, it returns a match if the string contains any of the specified digits. And also 0 to 9 returns a match if the string contains any digit between 0 to 9. For example, I am typing 90193812 like that. So we have 0 to 9, it definitely say returns a match. And another one is 0 to 5, 0 to 9. That means what? It returns a match if the string contains any digit between 00 to 59. So 0 to 5, 0 to 5 and 0 to 9 available, it print, otherwise not. At last A to Z, on the capital letter A to Z where it is a match if the string contains any alphabet. So free time you can practice these options, very difficult, very easy to. And example, so we have a small program called exp2.py where I am going to write import RE where I am write the string how are you and how is everything, and also matches I am going to re dot find all how comma str and print matches like that. So let's go for execution here. So just now I told you, while explanation I will tell you like this. So here the strings, what are the drawback means there will be limited string. For example, the string I have John comma Smith. For example, here I want to replace, instead of H I want to replace N. What will happen? It will go and replace with replace string dot replace something. So you can write GONN. But same time it will go and replace here also. Get it? So here also it go and replace N only. Yes, then it print SMIN like that. So when I want to particularly want to do any operation, replace or delete or anything, particular replace any character or bulk of characters, we need support of regular expression. In strings not possible. That was the last limitation of string here. So particularly I want to do changes in John, it possible in the with help of regular expression. We need support of import RE. So we'll go for next example 2 times I have already typed here. Stop exp2. So we are using the find all method import RE where, so how many times find all, how is there, you know how many times 1 2 times coming, it start from 0 1 2 3 and so on, you know strings means. Let's go for execution the program. Execute the script here. Yeah, so nicely printing, successfully executed. How? 4 times, because in this program how many times it is a 1 2 times, 2 times, and I again am giving printing, print matches us, so printing 4 times. If I remove, what happened? It just print 2 times only. So in the entire string, how many times how is there, it will find and print it. If for example I am searching another word where it's not available, it won't print anything. Just check it out in the real time. So I'm just printing only 1 time. So printing only 1 time. So like that you can work with the find all method in regular expression. Next you go for another 2-3 example before that. Then match object. What is match object? This is nothing but this object that contains the information about the search and the output. And also if there is no match found, the none object is returned. Remember, just contains the information about search and the output only. And also no match found, the none object is returned. And match object methods, there are a few match object methods associated. One is called span, another one is string, another is group. All we are going to use in the some program here, some script here. But span, what is a span means? It returns the tuple containing the starting and end portion of the match. Remember, and string means it returns a string passed into the function. At last, group means the part of the string is returned where the match is found. The part of the string is returned where the match is found. So let's go for small example. You understand? And we'll go for 2 small example here, 2, 3 and 4, where you can use this all match method and everything. So just open, file open, desktop, exp3. So if you're fresher, if you want to learn Python, you can practice these small things enough. So here I have a small program where I know first step is import RE. In the string I am typing how are you, everything is good like that. Now I want to find the matches, so I am going to give matches equal to RE dot search of how comma string. Then print the type of matches and print matches, that is whether matches search in the object or not. So all of you know how is available, where is available 0 1 2 3 portion, 0 comma 3 like that will print if what I am executing means. So runtime if you give where or some other word I am searching, it won't say any output, none or nothing. So just run the program. Yeah, successfully executed. So it check entire program and check re.match available object. So match object span of 0 comma 3 because the match is 0 1 2 3 third portion available. So in the starting of the pattern only available, strings only available. So it's saying like this. Another program is there. It is 4, expression 4. simple and easy. Here I can use, yeah, here I have one program, import RE script, where I am writing str is equal to computer is good, computer is our world, like that. So I am writing another option, matches equal to RE dot search of computer comma string. I want to search the computer where the computer string available, like that. And print matches dot span of, and print matches the group of, and print matches dot string of. So all the above three methods, object method I am using here. So it will go and search it. If it available, it go and print it. And again group means how many times it go and available, how many times the computer available, 2 times. Like that, it will give all the information clearly. Regular expression. Yeah, successfully executed. It is saying 0,8 position and computer. So how many times available? It because it is group command, no. So computer 3 times available. So it printing computer 1 time and printing computer is good, computer is our world, like that. So like that you can use the object methods, the match object methods if strings available. If not available, it will go none or nothing. So you can check it out. If you give some other word, it goes like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many characters here totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters. So it printing 0,8 at last, showing the output here. So these are things you have to remember about what is regular expression, why we need, what are the limitation of strings, and how can implement strings, how can implement the regular expression in the real time, like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the Hostbox channel, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.